I wish I didn't know Nina so well, because then I could lie to myself better. But I know every look, every pause, every cloud of an idea that crosses her face. You should see her looking at him. And then looking at me, to make sure I didn't see her looking at him that way. And then looking away from me, after she knows I've seen her looking at him. And then trying to look at me kind of the same way she was looking at him. So I won't feel so bad. And then failing epically at replicating the look. When I'm the focus. I mean, not even close. I can't believe this is actually happening. But it is. It is! I can't sleep. I can't eat. Except for pie. Somehow pie is exempt, but I can't fucking function. How is this good? How is love fun? How can I get her to love me again? Or you've seen her. You've seen us. How can I get her to love me more? I'm really asking. I'm actually asking. Does anyone have any ideas?